Welcome to my channel, my name is Boy and today I'm gonna show you how to control and connect your NANLINK with the NANLINK app and the NANLINK transmission box. Candle fire, because the lights are fuego. Step number 1, update your light. Make sure that you go in the link down below, download the last update and put on your USB. Turn off your light and make sure that it's not charging as well. Plug the USB, turn on your light and you'll see that you're gonna be able to do the update. Press switch and then confirm with the plus. Step number 2, update your NANLINK app or the transmission box as well. Step number 3, create your account. You're gonna put your information there, you're gonna create one, and then you're gonna go here. Boom. We're gonna create a new scene, and my scene is gonna be YouTube app. Boom, create there. And now we're gonna add the fixtures to the scene. So we're gonna click, tap to add the new fixtures. Boom. You can do via Bluetooth. If your NANLINK doesn't have the Bluetooth option, no problem. We have the NANLINK box, which is right here, and you can control everything via Wi-Fi as well. So here in this case, we're gonna do Bluetooth. Step number 4, adjust the channels of your light. Make sure that every single light have their own channel. Forza 60B is gonna be channel 1. My 6C, I'm gonna change the channel to channel 2. And my 15X, I'm gonna put channel 3. Step number 5, reset the light. Press mode until you see menu. Press switch to go down. When you see reset, press plus. And then switch to reset, pressing switch. And then confirm, pressing plus. This way you're gonna be able to see your light on the app. Done. Setting up fixture. So each channel for each light. Okay, we cannot connect all the lights in the same channel. So there we go. You can see that everything is connecting. 15 was missing. You can click here, new fixture, Bluetooth, 15, done. All good to go. You can turn on and off individually. Very, very nice. If I want to just highlight my key light, Forza 60B, boom. That's my Forza, 100%, whatever you want. You can change the time that you want to fade in and out. In my case, I'm gonna put 2. So, very nice. Turn on again. But if you want to turn on the fan, off, and the power is gonna be 30% of the Forza 60B. Here, same thing, CCT. You can control the color temperature. Let's do Pivot Tube 6. Boom, right here, 15. Same thing, very, very nice. But these lights over here have the ability to have more effects. That's when the app gets interesting, because here on the 6C, if you press CCT mode, you see that we have the dim, and then we have the GMM, which you can bring to green or magenta. Turn off and on the same thing, 2 seconds. Let's say you have this thing that you like. Oh, I want to do a very orange look and I like it a lot. I'm gonna press the heart here and you can save as a preset. 6. Here you see on the corner you can delete the fixture from this group or you can change the address. Very, very self-explanatory. If you press the modes, you can see HSI. This is one of my favorite ones because you can pick and choose any color that you want. Let's say red, you can change the dim. Blue, I'm gonna leave green, and then here you can change the hue, same thing, it will show you the color, saturation, same thing. But now you see here that we have the ability to take a photo of something and it's gonna copy that color. I'm gonna get this NANLINK bag, point to the blue, take a photo, done, and copy that color. Very, very cool, super, super practical. Different effects mode, that's more effects that you can do, which has a bunch of different options, as you can see here. My favorite is police car, as you already know. You can change the speed, you can do blue, white, red, blue and white, all this cool stuff, dim, amazing. TV, same thing, you can change the color, paparazzi, candle fire, but for this one I think it should be more orangey. There you go. Disco, you can pick the colors that you want as well, the amount of colors that you want, and the saturation that you want. Bad bulb, firework, explosion, welding, hue loop, CCT loop, int loop, flash, pulse, storm, police car. That's my favorite one. Very, very nice. Something that I like a lot, and you have access with the app. So this is the 6C. Right here on the 15, you see the same thing, but we're gonna have a pixel effect. Because this one is fuego. Same thing that you can do there, you can do here, but pixel effect, you can control each individual pixel, and if you have a bunch of them, you can connect all of them together and they all can do the same effect. Very, very cool for music videos. Amazing. Let's see the rainbow. Let me just turn the 6C off, or just a tiny bit down for now. There we go. Let's go back to the 15. Speed, you can control everything. Forward, you can choose whatever you want. You can save as well, and you can do everything here. Driving, that's pretty cool. Street lights, you can choose as many lights as you want. And the ambient, let's turn it down too. So if you put this out of your frame in a car, it will simulate like a tunnel, like a movement car and stuff. Very, very cool effect. That's super cool. Love that. Same thing, you can change all the settings, everything you want. That's on pixel effect. You see that a lot of things that you can do. Fire, you can change the color. Put this here, just a little fire. Fuego, you know. Color. HSI, if you want to change, you can even go crazier. Let's say we want to connect all of them together. Can we do that? Yes. Update your box. Same thing that we're gonna do. Turn on. New scene. It's gonna be box. Boom. On the scene, we're gonna add a fixture, but now it's gonna be via 2.4 gigs. Boom. Channel 1, Forza by color. Add another fixture. Channel 2, it's gonna be the 6C. Channel 3 is gonna be the 15X. Done. There we go. Now we can see transmitter box. Boom, it's there. Connected. C with the box. 15 with the box. So now all of them is with this transmission over here. Fixture, new group. Let's put this with all box. Create. Select all of them. Now we have a group, and we see that all of them are connecting here. If you press here, you can rename. Manage group, you can remove or whatever you want. Delete or cancel. We're gonna cancel. Because all are connected to the group, all the boxes. So now from this transmission here, we are able to connect all of them together. And of course, the picture effect, the Forza is not going to be able to do, and the 6C is not going to be able to do because they're not capable to do that. But like the dim, they all can do that. Color temperature, they all can do that. If you want to do effect mode, instant loop, flash, you have the ability to do way more crazy stuff because all of them are connected together. You got the idea, right? If you want to save everything together, you can do that too, and everything's gonna be there. You just press and go. Let me just turn this off, otherwise we're gonna go crazy. You can hook this as well on a tripod if you need to, USB-C, charger, and reset button if you need to. I'm gonna link all these lights down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Leave your like if you think that this video was helpful, and this way you're gonna tell the algorithm that this video is fuego.